How to see block list on Discord application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Discord application, then after go to any one of your friends' profile. To simply add them into the block list, click on the three dots beside their send message option on profile. From Smart menu, simply go to block. After you click on it, you will be able to add them in block list. To view them, simply go back to your server option, click on friends. Now on your right hand side, click on blocked. After that, you will see the list of person you have blocked in Discord. Go to the profile, click on three dots and choose the option of unblock to unblock them again. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.